method. It may sound like a really basic thing, but we all need to know how to chop an onion. So I'm going to talk today about how to finely slice and finely dice / chop onions perfectly for consistent results every time. Here, I'm going to slice it in half through the root to the tip. Like that. Slice and dice. We're going to peel the papery skin away and get rid of that. And the reason you want to keep the root intact is so that all the layers connect to the root. So when you're slicing the onion, it will hold its shape. So with any vegetable that's got a round surface, like an onion or a squash or a beetroot, you want to start with a flat edge. So put the flat edge face side down on the chopping board. We're going to just lop off the tip, and then it's easiest if you have the root facing away from you, because then you can see the individual lines along the onion. So if you start by tucking your fingers in over the onion like that, so your hands form a sort of claw shape, and then starting from about ½ centimetre away from the root, you can use your knife to guide round, following the curve of all of these individual lines. One slip. Got loads of slices here if I just push the onion out like that, but they're all holding together really easily. So there's already a fine slice, but what we're going to do with the rest is cut off where the root meets the edge of your lines, and then you'll see we've got all of these lovely slices of onion ready to go. So this other half is going to be our fine dice. We'll start in the same way. So again, the root is left intact. I'm going to lop off the tip. So if you see any recipes that ask for finely chopped, that means exactly the same thing as finely diced. So you can use this method. So again, starting with the root away from you, follow the lines round, just stopping a centimetre or ½ centimetre, depending on how your knife skills are, shy of the root. Oh, another fine slice to add to the pile. So the root's facing sideways rather than up, and use your claw motion again to grip the onion to the base of the board, and with the blade of the knife, obviously not the sharp end, against your knuckles, because your fingertips are tucked in, you're going to use your knuckles to guide the blade backwards. Again, this is where a sharp knife comes into its own. You've got a lovely pile of finely diced / chopped onion. And that's it.